Planning your retirement with TSP to Gold IRA strategy. Planning for retirement means more than just saving money. Federal employees and service members often rely on the Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, but many are exploring a TSP to Gold IRA strategy to strengthen their financial future. This approach offers diversification and protection against risks that traditional investments may not handle well. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why shift from TSP to Gold IRA? The TSP primarily invests in stocks, bonds, and government securities. While these options can generate growth, they are vulnerable to inflation and market downturns. A Gold IRA, holding physical precious metals, provides stability and balance by adding a tangible asset that retains value even during uncertain times. Benefits of TSP to Gold IRA strategy. 1. Inflation protection. Gold historically maintains value when currencies weaken, helping protect retirement savings from rising costs. 2. Diversification. Traditional TSP assets are closely tied to market cycles. Adding gold creates balance by introducing a non-correlated asset. 3. Wealth preservation. Precious metals are a universal form of value, offering long-term security when compared to paper-based investments. 4. Greater control. A self-directed Gold IRA allows individuals to choose the type of bullion or coins, giving more autonomy than standard TSP options. Key considerations. 1. Choose the right custodian. Ensure the institution is IRS approved and specializes in gold IRAs. 2. Understand the fees, storage, insurance, and custodian fees can apply. Clarity on costs avoids surprises. 3. Balance liquidity. Gold is valuable but less liquid than stocks. A mix of assets ensures flexibility for future withdrawals. A TSP to Gold IRA strategy is more than just a rollover, it is a safeguard for retirement. By integrating gold into savings, investors reduce exposure to market volatility, protect against inflation, and secure lasting value. With careful planning and the right custodian, this strategy can help ensure retirement wealth remains resilient for years to come. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.